Diesel Dave and I did not want to lose to each other, but we both gave it all the trucks had. Both kicked off completely sideways, the exact same direction. Dave had a little bit more of an angle, and he literally broke the truck in half.
Yes, he whipped really bad.
Yeah, that's fun.
Drive shaft loops, transfer case, stressed out the knuckles, mirror tour front, tab and bracketed, tie rod in, a drive shaft, transfer case, the brakes are screwed.
Probably about $40,000 worth of damage.
Yes.
You have Geico, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna call my insurance.
What's up, baby?
Get in here.
What's up?
Good to see you, man.
Oh, shit.
That's all right.
Don't put his hat on.
Guys, I need a suntan here anyway.
Cut.
Good to see you, sir. I got a cast on this hand, trying to get my sleeve out.
Oh, God. I don't know. I'm nervous, you know what I'm saying? Because I haven't. These are not as forgiving as a monster truck as far as in turns.
Yeah.
Turning over, you know, because if you get out there and get in that routine of just, you know, kind of drifting around this down here when it ruts up, there is no drifting.
It's deep, right?
Yeah.
So do you want him to practice right now? With
we'll get everybody. Yeah.
My Chariot awaits, you see? And look how much room I have in mine. I have room for days. And then you got Gary's truck. He got in here the other day, and his seat, he said, got smaller. He had to take a ratchet strap and stretch the seat out so that he could fit in there because there isn't room for anything else. I could put a whole sofa, a whole love seat in mine. Boom! Oh yeah. One of my favorite people in the whole wide world is John Gordon. He lets me drive his mega truck. A nice guy. He says, hey man, here's the keys to my couple $100,000 mega truck. You got a lot of ponies under the hood, just take it for a spin. You're a nice guy, John Gordon. I owe you big time.
John will see this in about 15-20 minutes.
No, seconds.
Anytime you want to, you know, come take the old Civico out for a run, it's all yours. I'll give you the keys. I might even let you drive the El Camino.
It's nice that they were able to bring in my truck. I brought my truck in. That's old girl right there, number 30. She's bad. She's real bad.
Pop, pop, pop.
What? Or you can't reach it, or what?
I can barely reach the end there.
You driven this thing?
Oh.
I drove
Now
it,
he's already breaking stuff.
I'll be standing up like that anyway.
And I picked him up, and I spun around and I threw him in the mud hole, and he'd already had his buttons up.
It fits. A little short for the pedal though. So I feel like this switch is gonna be the issue here.
Digger's Dungeon. You see, here is where the digger lives. This is Dennis's stomping grounds. This is his shop. This is the cafe. This is where they build the motors, the mega trucks. This is where all the fun happens.
This is literally like Monster Jam history, Monster Jam museum, like everything. Like
you see one of the original gravediggers out to the left, and you see another original gravedigger right behind us.
Dennis is like Mr. Gravedigger. Like he was the first gravedigger. Like you hear about like all the toys and stuff. He was the gravedigger.
He founded it.
Yeah. Have you heard a story about how it happened?
Oh yeah.
We gotta have him explain it to the camera.
So this is where Ryan all their toys and Weston. You got their old Blazers over here. You got the big single wheels. Somewhere out there, you got a little Chevy Love that is awesome.
What's the Gravedigger story? How did it come to be? I know it was a high school thing, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So what happened?
Well, really, it all started from a tank of gas. So it was a kid that was in the FFA with me, always wanted to get a ride with me, and I would never give him a ride. He said, I will boil your gas tank over if you'll give me a ride to my house. I didn't know that they had a big farm operation. And so I said, Gary, I said, where are you gonna get the money? He goes, I don't need money, we got gas pumps. So so basically I told him, I said, I swear to God, dude, I'll kick your butt if I go all the way out there, because he told me where he lived, and I was like, holy crap. I rode around on a little eighth of a tank of gas all the time. So, and we pulled up, that kid runs into this big farmhouse, goes upstairs, comes out, puts a uniform on, name tag on it, big ring of keys, everything that I wanted to be. Because both of us were kids. I was just an older kid than he was. He didn't have driver's license. So we went across to the fertilized warehouse, and behind it, by the grain bins, was freaking gas pumps, and I have the gas pump over here in my little museum. But anyway, he boiled my gas tank over, and we were best buddies from that day on. And I got a job with his family. They had everything that I wanted to be. That family had it. I wanted to be a big farmer. That's what I wanted to be. John Deere tractors. So, and I worked for his father and his whole family, working at the granary one morning 42 years ago is when it all started, but it never really went public until like 81. I told Gary Todd with a few choice words, he'd come in there running his mouth, and we get there early. He comes dragging in because his daddy, owns the place. He comes in flipping his lips about his new truck, his new F-250. I'm working on a 1951 Ford with combine tires on it. I told him, I'll take that junk, dig you a grave, and took a can of spray paint, put Gravedigger on it, and I buried his ass that Sunday, him and 8 other wealthy farm boys on a little grudge match thing we had. And
Awesome.
That's how it happened.
You just spray paint on the side of the truck, Gravedigger?
Yeah, put Gravedigger on the side of it. Then I stenciled it off with tape and all that.
How you doing, man?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Might be the last.
You're making fun of how I drink? It's either this or this.
I just figured. You driven anything with a shifter like this?
Never.
Never?
Never.
As soon as it starts moving, it's time to shift into second gear pretty much,
So why
It's
can't you
pretty
take
quick.
off in second? It's too high for it?
Yeah, it's bad on the transmission with that much torque.
Yeah.
And it's all right if you're just easing along, but if you step on it, it'll burn clutches up.
Yeah, that's fun.
Anybody's girlfriend's got hair ties? All right, man. Back in the saddle of blowing money. Haven't driven this truck in like 3 years, and it's about time to take for another rip, I think. What do you think?
Are we going on the side or are we going on top this time?
I was thinking I'd take it from the side, top, other side, back to the tires, and then back across the finish line.
Shiny side up, man.
Shiny side up at the end?
Hey, that's good.
That truck runs so good.
It does, man. You look so good in it. That
Feels
needs
good.
to be you right there. We were going to get it for you last time,
I know.
remember?
I'm about to run John another offer again.
Right.
Very few things in life are more fun than that.
We gotta go grab your helmet, Dennis. Took off with.
All right, and we're going to start our deal off today like we always do. This will be our format for today. We're going to do a national anthem. Myself, the Diesel Brothers, and Whistling Diesel. It'll be 4 of us out there. That'll just last, probably 10 minutes at the most. Anyhow, man, I thank you guys for coming out, and I love you guys. These pits are going to be very busy today. Thank you guys.
We're here at the Spring Sling, and now it's my favorite part of the event, which is where Tough Trucks. Cody's about to get introduced to Tough Trucks. How do you feel about this? Stock Jeep Cherokees just going absolutely ham, and we're placing some bets. I was too busy talking to place a bet, but watch these guys.
Party time. First race is Sparks Wisman. Second race, Diesel Dennis. Money's obviously on Dave, the brother. Obviously, I'll get fired if he loses. I'll also get fired if I root for Cody.
Look at this. Dude, the coolest is looking over and seeing you over there. I was like, this is
coolest.
Look at how close this is.
Look at how far away I am. Get my glasses.
I mean, you literally.
His wheelbase is longer.
I saw Dennis like this in the truck, trying to get a little.
No, they got the right. They have it. I mean, it looks like. Oh, it looks like you were like that. On that one, it's gonna be the Diesel Brother final right there.
Dude, I could not steer.
Well, you want me to turn my rear steer off?
I went down there and grannied around the turn. I was like, God, the bitch is here with me.
Dude, Dave freaking sailed on that. Lighting is so much better on that other side. He sailed. The other way.
My shocks are too loose in the back. I just saw that. It hits the bump stop and goes like that. I didn't feel it. It didn't hurt. But people on this side think I won. Everybody on that side knows that he won.
But watch, I hate your tires here. Look at this. Watch, I hate those.
Oh my gracious.
Look, all 4 of them go.
Oh, now the steering's broke after you hit the tires. Thanks, Cody.
That's when the steering wheel.
Yeah, and then I spun out there in the
Well, you didn't get to see him. You still got it right though.
okay.
Yeah, no. Yeah, but the throttle rhythm. This is. How many times have you done that?
It's all right.
How many times have you done that?
3.
Okay, there you go. 3 where? Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ain't got no seat time. Yep. That was good. That's my mom calling. She's 87 years old. Going, Daniel, I told you not to get back in your truck. See old Kevin D coming back this right here, gonna send it. That's a bad bitch, boy. You better tighten up.
It'll be a good time. I don't know what lane we're going in.
Wicked crash.
What do you guys think of that? Feels like
back home to us. So honestly, couldn't ask for a better crowd, couldn't ask for a better mentor, Dennis Anderson, and I'm just pumped, so thank you.
That's freaking awesome. It was. God. Poor John. Hey, the bright side of this is it's not really a problem because you will not be going home. You need to call your wife, send her here. You're going to be staying in the beach house. You're going to be here for 14 days because you're going to help fix that.
Pretty sure we own that truck now. Hey, we wanted to buy it, so everyone wanted to do it.
That's the only way.
Oh, bam! Oh, my God. Please. Everybody was worried about him tearing everything up.
Did I land in this pit?
Oh my God,
Pretty
dude.
sure I landed over here.
You done like a whip. You done a whip, and I thought it was gonna be done.
Oh, I whipped hard.
Yes, he whipped really bad.
I went off sideways.
Yeah.
I was looking at the crowd when I went
sideways too, but I just luckily got it in the
I
mud.
think y'all might have been twins. We all going like
Yeah.
That was a great run, though. I'm gonna tell you, the racing's been good all day.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna tell you right freaking now, that was the most exciting race of the day right there.
It was a fast race too, right?
Yes, you damn right. You guys were freaking shagging it.
Yeah, the turn felt good down there.
Yes, yeah.
Everything felt good right up until the end.
Yeah. He was doing good until he
Your
landed.
front left just literally went boom.
I floated so far there was no. I was like, he just kept spinning and spinning. I was like,
You gotta call John Gordon.
I'm
Not
gone.
us. Not us. We're not.
He already knows. He already knows.
Hey, let's get off the track. Joe's gonna go on. Let's do a little hero lap right up there. Drag it straight up. Hey, Scrap is up right now.
Where are we going, Denny?
Hey, I'm in the back. Dennis, you know, I don't mind doing stuff, but, you know, we have to make sure that somebody.
That's what you guys look like.
All right, so what you're about to see is some absolute carnage. Diesel Dave and I did not want to lose to each other, and so neither one of us were straight coming off that finish line jump, but we both gave it all the trucks had, and we both kicked off completely sideways, the exact same direction. Only difference was Dave had a little bit more of an angle, and he literally broke the truck in half, and I somehow saved mine, and I won. I'm the winner, baby.
Dave needs to call him one-on-one.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh my God.
That
Oh, Lord.
that might need to
All right,
be
hold
a,
on. Hey, get the calculator out. Okay, let me do this. Okay. $1,200 right here.
Okay.
Okay, stressed out the knuckles. See this? Busted right here. Mirator front right now is going for $4,000. We got a tab and bracket it. Heim joints. Tie rod in. No, these are these right here.
You're listening, recording.
4 4-link bars, a drive shaft. It tore part of the cradle out of the for the transfer case. Knocked it. Oh God, look. Transfer case. Okay, here we are. $4,300.
Okay.
$1,300 on yokes in the front and the drive shaft loops. The brakes are screwed. They're $900. This is the final round. Okay, now we have rims. All right, the rims, 2 rims. Probably 4. So the
Hold on, Dennis. Let's be real.
Yeah.
Do you even rebuild this?
Yes, you can.
Use parts.
Huh? No, you can
I bet you
revamp it.
that frame is twisted.
No, you can revamp it. It can be. We honestly, I was joking about the transfer case up there.
No,
it did.
I just seen it.
It's knocked it out.
You have Geico, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna call my insurance.
Hey, well, the main thing. Do you feel bad?
No, you're not supposed to feel bad. You're not supposed to feel bad. You just put on one hell of a show.
I saw it, John.
You don't worry about this shit until Monday.
Does
Monday when reality.
Does John know yet? Well, somebody's probably.
No, he's in the middle of a show. No,
I'll send him a text. Hey man, you might want to call me.
Hey man, just send him, hey man, you up?
Hey man.
yeah.
It's just severe.
It is.
This is
because
smoked.
listen, I'm telling you guys, no shit. Okay, so the brake, you can probably salvage that, but you know it's going to need a back drive shaft loops, transfer case. If you do the drive shafts, they're $1,600, and that's a good deal.
This is
16.
25 grand parts alone.
Yes, yes.
Probably another 10, 15 in labor.
Yep.
So you're probably, this is probably about $40,000 worth of damage.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
If the motor didn't get
it
hurt.
is. You know, and I'm not sure about the motor because it acted like it either through a blower belt or something stuck, like some of the sheet metal held it open because it smoked.
Yeah, I had to hurry and shut the fuel off.
Listen,
you
look at me
did?
right now.
Yeah.
That right there is what commitment looks like. Dave knew for a fact when he went off that jump that he was sloppy as shit. And he just held it. He just held it and went for it because he didn't want to lose, and neither did I. I knew I was sloppy as shit. And luckily,
been sloppy. That would have been nice.
luckily we landed just a little bit away from each other.
Hey, but let me think. That honestly, you guys, all the cost, look at what we had out here today. We had to shut it off at the gate. We had a big full house. All these fans were screaming. So, you know, you guys about own this park now. So not only did you buy a mega truck, you will be committed here for
Should we get honorary posters out front,
that
billboards?
billboard is going to have your face on the front out there when you guys come back. Y'all have definitely put a Diesel Brothers stamp right here.
Yeah, no, more than a stamp. We put a, we buried some.
Y'all made a freaking mess. That's what you did. Bullshit.
Are you all right?
Yeah.
You didn't get hurt?
No, I'm good.
I felt good.
Feel fine?
Until tomorrow morning.
Yeah. No, he's tough.
That was a close race though, right?
It was. It was so
I think
good.
you had me by a little bit.
Hold on. Let's get your reaction. You haven't seen your crash yet, huh?
At this moment, he knew. Yeah.
Oh, look at
Oh man, I was full 180. You did a cool whip. I was. And so I landed down in the trough versus rolling into that trough.
Oh,
And so when I hit it, all preloaded and it kicked me all the way. Like I was sideways.
I think my rear steer was
This
holding
truck
too.
kicks way harder than I thought it was going to. Like I thought it was collapsed to begin with, but you were hitting sailing way farther than everyone else.
If I was gonna break somebody's truck, I'd choose John's truck.
Yeah.